Hamburger Festival-Rundgang während der Pride Week zum Christopher Street Day, Hamburger CSD-Parade, am Samstag, den 5. August 2023.
Germany, Hamburg Festival Walking Tour during the Pride Week for Christopher Street Day on Saturday the 5th of August 2023.
What is the occasion? What is the occasion?
I don't know.
This is a special day. I just want to know the name of the day and what is the occasion.
It's a part of Pride Week. It's a part of Christopher Street Day today.
A part of what?
Christopher Street Day. Is this? I don't know the word. Sorry, my
you can say
is very bad.
You can say it by any language. Yeah.
Jetzt ist Parade vom CSD, also vom Christopher Street Day.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day, all of you. Gerhard Richter. I found I think I am not going to travel anywhere today. This is so engaging. I love the people. You know what Journey sang, and you can hear this song again and again on YouTube. Don't stop believing. Hold fast on that feeling. Thank you. I think many people have shot a lot of pictures of me, and maybe I'll be on the news. That is great. And always keeping the order, keeping the streets safe, keeping the order. So No one will disturb those people, and no one of those people can disturb the day. Yes. I will be on the news today. There are cameramen and they have shot many shots, have taken many shots of me. And I think I will be on the news today. That is good. That is very good for me. Now this seems to me like a walking. You see, this seems to me like a walking from a group maybe, and then another group maybe. And I like that dancing thing, walking like dancing. It's something like walking, maybe. And that one, I want to take picture of her. You see? Oh, they don't care. People just are happy, and they live the life they want, free from any pressures, feel the happiness of their freedom, their life, their ambitions, their willingness, and everything nice in life. Activism is my hobby since the beginning. Is it good?
Aktivismus ist seit den 70er Jahren die Gewohnheit des Journalisten und Menschenrechtsaktivisten Khalid Osman. Ist es deins?
Also, in the most please and tell me in which field.
Antworten Sie bitte in den Kommentaren und sagen Sie mir, in welchem Bereich.
Did you enjoy the tour? If so, read and do. Subscribe to the channel.
A friend in need is, well, you know the rest. Ein Freund in Not ist, na ja, den Rest kennst du.
Join the feminist rise community.
When we build a community, we become stronger.
Wenn wir eine Gemeinschaft aufbauen, werden wir stärker. Start your day with this channel. Beginnen Sie Ihren Tag mit diesem Kanal.
Germanize your journey.
Travel Germany cheaper.
hier. Warum also nicht über Ihren Tag schreiben und wie er Ihnen gefallen hat?
You see yourself here, so why not write about your day and how did you enjoy it?
Did you enjoy the music? To say so, please do subscribe, like, comment and share the link.